It's Ben here from Roofline Solutions, and today we're going to be undertaking a major roofing renovation. What you see in the roof behind me is the guys have already started removing the old rusted out gutters, and what we're going to be doing is replacing the old rusted gutters with new ColourBond gutters, and also putting a ColourBond fascia cap over the existing fascia. Once we've done that, we're going to take all the old roof tiles off, re-insulate the roof, put new battens down and put a new ColourBond roofing system on. So watch the video, I hope you enjoyed and I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching.